thing is to perform the unloading. So once the goods are received, when the truck is arrived, so they need to perform the unloading. Once the unloading is done, so the warehouse operator is moving the product from the truck to the inbound staging area. So that inbound staging area is nothing but it is the interim storage, so which is located near to the doors, warehouse inbound doors. So then once he receive, he will perform the goods receipt. So he will perform the goods receipt via the handheld device. He will just scan the inbound delivery number, and he will verify what are the products and what is the batch and what is the quantity. And at the same time, he will perform the packing, and then he will do the goods receipt. So once the goods receipt is done, so system will create the warehouse task to move the stock from the GR zone. That means it is the interim staging area for the goods receipt, from there to the final high rack. So it will create the warehouse task to move the product from the GR area to the high rack. So this is the sample inbound process. So like as I explained, so truck arrives to the door. So when the truck is arrived, so they will perform the unloading. So then at the same time, like it will be moved to the staging area. So then in the staging area, so they will perform so the packing, and then so they perform the goods receipt. So once that is done, so if the product is relevant for the quality inspection, so then there are different steps, right? So if it is relevant to quality inspection, so after the goods receipt, it has to gone through the quality inspection. So then the quality team, so they need to perform the usage decision. So then after they post the usage decision, so again like the warehouse task will create. So this is the warehouse task will create to the put away storage. So that is the final storage where we are keeping the product. So the document flow, so here in the S4 HANA, so we need to create the purchase order. So against to purchase order, the inbound delivery is created, and this is replicated to EWM decentral EWM system. So and there it will create the inbound delivery notification. So this is nothing but the replication of the inbound delivery S4 HANA. So then against inbound delivery notification, so there is a PPF function, it will activate and it will create the inbound delivery. So this is nothing but a warehouse request in EWM. So against this, all the packing, goods receipt and put away will take place. So once the inbound delivery is created, so then the user will perform the packing. So then he will perform the goods receipt. Once the goods receipt is done in EWM, so it will update the posting in the F4 system. So then the stock initially it will update in the receive on dock store location. So then the user will create the put away warehouse task to move the product from goods receipt area to the final high rack. So for this, we need to create the put away warehouse task. So once the put away warehouse task is created, and once it is confirmed, so stock is updated in the final high rack storage, and then in the S4 system, so stock will update in the AFS. So that means the posting change will trigger the stock update from ROD to AFS. Once the stock is available,
AFS?
available for sale. So that means for EWM there are two store locations. One is receive on dock, and another one is available for sale, AFS. So initial stage when the goods receipt is done, so it is just updated in ROD, but user cannot use this stock for any of the goods issue process. So they cannot use this stock which are in the ROD. Yeah, Raj.
What is ROD?
It is receive on dock.
Receive
On dock.
on down.
No, receive on dock. DOCK.
Oh, on docks. Okay.
Yeah, receive on dock, and AFS is available for sale.
Okay. Then available for sale. Okay.
Yeah. So that means so this is the stock is available for the sale, selling to external customer or issuing to the um, another plant or issuing to the production. So
Yeah. While recording this. Oh yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
yeah. So this is the document flow. So what are the documents involved in the inbound process? So this in the next slides we are going to discuss about the parameters which influence the inbound process. So we need to do some settings, right? So we need to make some settings for the put away strategy. So all the time, like so user cannot enter the destination bin or source bin. So while creating the warehouse task, so that has to be created. So based on the strategies, put away strategies. So we need to configure the put away strategies in such a way that so the particular product it will always go in the for examples, we have received the product that always store in the cold storage, and we have received the product B that always store in the general storage. Okay, so we cannot mix all the products in one storage. So in order to simplify the process, so we need to set up the put away strategies. So in the put away process, so the put away preparation. So this is nothing but the determination of destination bin is based on the put away strategy. So as I said, the product which is always stored in the cold storage. So it will when the goods receipt is done, system will create the warehouse task. So automatically and so in the warehouse task, so the destination bin is determined from the cold storage. So that is automatically determined based on the put away strategy. And determination of queue is nothing but so when the warehouse task is created, it is linked to warehouse order. So that warehouse order is a work package. So generally in the warehouse, users will not go and do in the desktop transactions, right? So they will use the handheld devices. So they will get the queue. So this determination of queue is nothing but so based on this queue, so user they will log in and they will just check what are the warehouse orders are in their list. For example, for the put away. So then they will confirm one by one in the handheld device. So they will just scan the HU level and they will confirm. So once it is confirmed, so the stock is updated in the final storage.
HU level is handling unit level.
Yeah, handling unit, yes. In
Okay.
EWM, it is called handling unit. So handling unit is nothing but it is like a Euro pallet or cotton box, or it may be container, or it can be wire basket.
Okay. Container or a pallet or
Yeah.
basket or something. That is the handling
Yes.
unit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
So
Go ahead.
each pallet contains the product. So that together called handling unit. So put away strategies. These are the different put away strategies. Okay, so manual entry, so fixed bin. So manual entry is nothing but so user they will just enter the storage bin manually in the warehouse task creation. So the fixed storage bin is nothing but so this is the strategy. So for example, so the particular product will always store in that particular storage bin. So then in that case, we can use this fixed storage bin strategy. So that means when we receive that product, it always go and store in that particular bin. So there is a product and storage bin assignment. So based on that, it will always system always determine the destination bin as the fixed storage bin. So near to fixed bin, and general storage is nothing but it is a general storage. We can just put some consumables items in the general storage addition to existing stock. So this is majorly used in any warehouses, addition to existing stock and general storage. So addition to existing stock is like so in the hierarchy So like, so we can system always based on the capacity, system will allow